If you're planning a road trip with your children, it's important to know that in Quebec, it's mandatory for young children to use their car seats in any vehicle. In our RV, you can install up to 3 child seats at the same time. 2 on the sofa bed and another on the rear passenger seat. Because the seat belts on the sofa bed are lap belts, the child seats will be secured using them as specified for the respective seat. To install them, you need to find the slots on the sides of your seat where the belt is threaded to secure the seat in place. Once you fasten the belts, make sure the seat is as tight as possible so it doesn't move out of place. Unlike the sofa, the rear passenger seat does have ISOFIX anchors to secure the child seat without needing to use the seat belt or to install a baby retention system. To install the child seat here, first make sure the passenger seat is moved completely forward. Then, recline the seat completely backward and raise the armrests to create space for the child seat. Now, you can install the seat using either the ISOFIX anchors directly or the seat belts, as described earlier. Please always ensure that the seats are securely fixed and properly adjusted in their position to prevent accidents. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this, and the most important, don't forget to enjoy the ride. See you soon.